Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I am sharing with you my thoughts on the Tuxedo cat from Lego. But before I start, I just like to ask you a little favor. If you want to see more videos and get notified, then please hit the subscribe button and notification bell. And with this out of the way, back to the Lego cat. My husband bought this Lego cat for me as a Christmas gift and I built it over 2 days, making a few mistakes along the way and also missing pieces. As an extra gift, my husband also got this mini photo frame, which I built fairly quickly, but I haven't found a photo yet that fits in the frame. So here's what's in the box. A big instruction manual and 20 paper bags with Lego pieces. This makes it a great project you can build in your own sweet time in stages. In total, the cat is made with 1710 pieces. It is life-sized and 32 centimeters tall or 12.5 inches and 24 centimeters wide, which is 9.5 inches. In the next few scenes you will see the building of the cat step by step without much commentary. As you can see, the cat has movable parts. You can move its ears, which gives it a totally different expression. It also can move the head. Just like the cat's head and its ears, the tail is also movable. I noticed that I made a boohoo with the cat's haunches, so I had to correct that. When I moved the cat to the living room, the base fell apart and the cat didn't sit stable. I then noticed that I made errors by leaving out pieces on the base, which I managed to find in one of the bags and corrected. However, 2 pieces were definitely missing. Later that week, we went to the local Lego shop and they didn't even want to see the receipt and gave me these spare pieces. Sadly not in black, but as this won't be noticeable in the cat, I don't mind. And here is the finished cat. Sadly, our cats were rather indifferent and didn't really care for the finished cat or much for the box. Who knows, maybe because they are tabbies? However, my husband caught Lucy nibbling on one of the cat's ears, so he had to put the cat high up on one of our bookshelves. Lucy loves to chew mostly on cardboard. Chewing on plastic is not something we want to encourage. What I liked about this Lego set was that it came with 2 different sets of eyes. It would have been even better if it had a 3rd pair of green eyes. I also like that it has movable parts and that you have the choice between an open and a closed mouth. The instructions were mostly easy to follow. I also like that you can build it over time and that the parts come in numbered bags and not just in one big bag. What I didn't like about the set, apart from the missing pieces, which was not a big deal in the end, is that the cat breaks apart easily, which makes moving it difficult. I would like to display it away from Lucy's teeth. Would I recommend this set to cat lovers? Absolutely. It's a fun challenge to build the cat. If you love cats and Lego, this is a great set that keeps you busy for a while. I hope you liked this video. If you have a question, please feel free to leave a comment and I'll try my best to answer it. And if you want to support this channel, you can do so by liking, sharing and subscribing. You can also donate via PayPal, the link is in the description. Thank you for watching, until next time.